Hey guys, Bilal here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Oppo A5s, a recently launched device for around 10,000 rupees. And as you can see on the box, the dual rear camera and full view display with the teardrop notch have been emphasized, and owing to that, the design looks quite good. Some key features are mentioned on the back, which are water drop screen, 4230 mAh battery, which is impressive at this price range. Then there is a dual rear camera and AI Beauty 2.0. Now let's unbox it and see what accessories have been provided. Firstly, we have a paper box containing some quick start guide and other documentations with a transparent back cover for the protection. Then we have the device itself. Then there is a power adapter without any fast charging, and obviously fast charging cannot be expected for 10,000 rupees. And lastly, we have a data cable. Now let's take a glimpse of the device. It catches your eyes with the shiny red color with the spotless design. However, the build quality is not that good as it's been made of polycarbonate just like all the Oppo devices. The dual rear camera is placed on the top left corner, which reminds me of iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 Plus. The placement of the fingerprint sensor is perfect as per my preference because it becomes very easy to access it while holding the device in hands. Now speaking of specs, the device comes with the MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor, 2, 3 or 4 GB of RAM with 32 and 64 GB of internal storage, 6.2 inches 1520 x 720p IPS display, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera with f2.2 aperture, 8 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture, Face ID and the fingerprint scanner for the security purpose. The device is running on Android Oreo 8.1 with Color OS, and there is not any launcher on the home screen. One thing I would like to show here, which can barely be seen on the right edge of the screen. This is sort of a folder which contains some app launchers. You can have the most frequently used applications in this folder so that you can find your choice of applications in a very small list of apps whenever they are needed instead of this huge list. Now the security features are quite fascinating as they are very responsive, particularly the fingerprint sensor. The sensor recognizes the finger rapidly and accurately without any delay, which makes it some of the fastest fingerprint scanners in the world of smartphones. The Face ID is also quick. As soon as you press the power button, the sensor reads your face and unlocks the device within a second. However, it feels a bit slower than the fingerprint scanner because after recognizing the face, the lock screen has to be slided to get the home screen, which feels just like the iPhone 10. The camera quality is quite good considering the price, especially the bokeh effect. It feels like it is taken with a bit expensive device as the edge detection of the object is impressive. So I would say Oppo has done a great job by providing such a nice portrait quality for this price range. The normal picture mode is also good, however it struggles when it has to perform in low light conditions. Now the selfie camera is good in daylight, but it also struggles in low light situations, and it is tolerable as far as the price is concerned. All in all, the A5s is made for some casual users who want a smartphone with good portrait mode, full view screen with teardrop notch and enough battery backup for very low budget segment. And what are your thoughts about the device? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe this channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon.